Good morning guys, welcome to the bedroom and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be my updated morning routine for 2020. I am someone who is crazy. I like to wake up every day around 5 or 6 a.m. Today 6 a.m. because my photographer is clearly here filming this for me and he's not the best with 5 a.m. so we stuck to 6. So yeah, I am someone that likes to get up, go, early mornings. I'm not someone who kind of is like a zombie in the morning. As you can see, I am like a spring chicken. I start every day with my vitamins and my water beside the bed. So I'm kind of waking up, rehydrating, getting all the goodness I need. All the vitamins that I use, I will put down in this description. My words are a bit muffled in the morning. Description box below. But yeah, I am not also someone who likes to lay in bed because I'd probably fall back asleep. I'm someone who likes to get up and get to the kitchen to do the most important thing, probably of my morning. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. So there is actually two things most important to my morning now. Cup of coffee and that little man down there. I could not start any day without this cup of coffee. And that little man down there causes my morning routines to be like doing two morning routines. So the first dilemma I have in the morning is, do I take the right side, sitting comfortably on a sofa, catching up on social media, watching a TV series, listening to music, or do we be productive and take the left side, which if I've got a really busy day ahead, I like to just kind of crack on, get things done before anyone else is awake. And as you guys are watching today, obviously we're going to take the left side so you all think I've got a really busy day ahead. So one thing that is a must every single morning is my to-do list. I just feel like it's a really good way to set up your day, knowing what you've got on. And at the end of the day, it's great to have everything ticked off because you get that feeling of accomplishment. Now, one thing that is not on this list, but is definitely a must in the morning, is a trip to the bathroom to do my business. I'm sure you guys do not want to see that. So I'm going to head there now and I will meet you in there afterwards. Looking after my skin is very important to me. So I'm going to start now with my grooming routine. It's really important to start your day with a blank canvas and clean away any dirt, oil, or dead skin that you may have built up overnight. I've been using Geologie for nearly a year now and the results have been amazing. Instead of going into a store, picking up a product that has been created for everyone and not necessarily going to help with you and your skin needs, Geologie create products for you. The first step you need to do is head over to their website, which I'll link down in the description box below, to answer some simple skincare questions like, what products do you currently use? What results are you looking for? How does your skin react to alcohol and temperature changes? And what condition is your skin currently in? Now is where the magic happens. Geologie take your answers and create special products that are personal to you and your skin needs. They will then send you 2 everyday face wash, a vital morning face cream, repairing night cream, and also an eye cream. Now, I know some people roll out of bed and have hardly any time to get ready and out the door for work, so having these products makes your grooming routine so much easier to follow. So now I'm all changed, it's time to take little man out for a morning walk to do his business. Honestly, having this dog, he's not only just become my best friend, he gives me such a purpose to get out in the morning, get some fresh air, clear my mind, ready for a brand new day. So he has been and had his morning exercise. He decided towards the end that he just didn't want to walk today. But it is time for me now to go and do mine. I much prefer working out in the morning. I feel like if I leave it until the afternoon, I will make any excuse to not go. So yeah, I like to get up, get out and get on with it. So it's time for me to head to the gym. See you later, mate. So obviously when you come back from the gym, it's super important to refeed your body, give it the protein that it needs to repair after the session. So I normally come home and make maybe scrambled eggs like this, very simple. I know it doesn't look great, but honestly it tastes great. Or I have salmon or an omelette. Today I went for the simple option, of course, because we're filming this. Once I've had my omelette or my eggs or salmon, I head to the shower. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy eating this and then I will meet you in the bathroom, ready to continue with my grooming routine. So as I've been to the gym, I want to clean away all of the badness. So again, in the shower, I go in with a second round of the Geologie cleanser. So now it's time to move on to the next step, the Vital Morning Face Cream. Now this again has been created with ingredients that are going to help me with my problemed areas. Now I get very sensitive skin and also get blemished areas. So this moisturizer has been formulated with ingredients to help repair this over time and make sure my skin is getting the hydration and care it needs for the day. Now if you want to ask any questions about Geologie, please put them down in the comments box. And also if you want to go and check them out for yourself, I will also link the website down in the description box. Honestly, it's a great brand to use, and if you want to make your life easier and give your skin the TLC it deserves, then you really should go and check them out. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's now 10 o'clock and look how much we got done. Looking out the window, it is a miserable day outside, so I'm gonna crack on now with my to-do list. If you have any questions at all, please pop them down in the comments box below, and I will be linking all the products that I've used in today's video down in the description box. I just wanna thank Geologie for sponsoring this video. As I said earlier, I will link their website down below and all of the products as well. But that is it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to go and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon on another video. Take care.